Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Gin with Spearing. Get innovating now. I'm delighted to welcome Myles Heinekey today from Prosoft Technology. And Prosoft are a Rockwell Automation and Compass partner. And today's subject is all about migration solutions. Myles, we know that within the UK market there are millions of pounds worth of old, obsolete products that need migrating. How can Prosoft help customers?
Well, we can help them rather than getting the budget through the capital expenditure budget. You can do it through the operational expenditure budget by replacing a piece of equipment one at a time. And once you replace it, then you have a spare for the rest of the plant. So, for example, you may have an old panel view classic, which is on a site, talking to an SLC on DF1, for example. To replace that with a new panel view plus 7, for example, you would need to have a serial port. Now, these modern units don't have a serial port, they have Ethernet. So with our standalone gateway, you can then go from the DF1 port on the SLC, for example, and then going up to Ethernet IP onto the actual panel view itself.
How easy is that as a process for customers to undertake that?
It's very simple. It's something they can do themselves. Obviously, then they would have our assistance through our tech support teams as well. But it's very, very simple for them to do that.
Okay.
Hi, I'm from Prosoft Technology. I'd like to introduce our latest migration gateway. This is a DF1 to Ethernet IP router that we have, which is a net E&I replacement. So it'll do all the features of that, plus some others. Very simple to use. Just go to the website, download the software, and while you're on there, review the video on how to set up the unit. It's a very simple video, or you can give Routeco on Prosoft a quick call. Very simple to use, Ethernet port here, power supply and communications, and that's it.
Brilliant. Thanks very much for that, Myles. Again, if you want to know more, please get in contact with Myles on the link below. Get innovating now and look out for the next Gin with Spearing video. Thank you. Last month's gin was called The Illusionist. This month is a gin liqueur called The Infusionist.